How often is your phone more than an arm length away from you? If you're anything like most people, the answer to that question is never. Having all the knowledge in the known universe in your pocket can be really powerful, but if we're not careful, it can have downsides. When I'm spending time with my family, the last thing I want is a negative work email ruining my day. And when I'm in a session of deep work, the last thing I want is a message from Greg showing me the 13th meme that he thought was funny that day. Damn it, Greg. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your phone with a focus switcher like this, so that your phone can be a device that actually improves your life instead of distracting you from living it. Okay, so first things first, you want to clear out everything on your homepage. So if you don't know how to do that, you edit home screen to get into jiggle mode and you just start removing apps. Once everything is clear, you'll want to set up a page for each focus mode that you want. So for me, my main focus modes are work, fitness, drive, and chill. So I'm going to set those up now. Okay, so I have all my pages set up here. This one is for work. This one's for fitness. This one's for driving. And this is my chill focus. Pro tip. If you want your phone to be completely blank when you go to sleep, you can leave an empty page here. Next, we actually want to set up our focus modes. So the first one that I want to set up here is my chill focus mode, which is what your phone is going to look like when you're not in any focus mode at all. So when you're in this mode, you don't want all these pages of apps here. So you want to remove them. So how do you do that is you hold these dots at the bottom and you can uncheck these other pages. So that way you're only going to have this one page of apps when you're in your chill mode. To set up your other focus modes, you're going to want to go into your setting and you're going to go into the focus section and you're going to add your focus modes just by pressing the plus button. And you can either choose the default labels here or you can use your custom ones. I've set up drive, fitness, sleep, travel, and work. So let's go into drive. So in this section, this is where really all the magic happens and it's under the customize screens section. So you'll click choose here and you will choose lock screen color. I like to do this, you don't have to do it, but for me, having different focus modes and color coding everything on my phone and in my calendars is really helpful. So for drive, I use an orange color. And if you go to the second one here, this is where you choose your app page. So this is the ones that you set up in the first step. And my drive page is this one. That's it. So you're just gonna do this with every focus mode. I have my green one set up there. My fitness one is this one. Sleep is black. And for sleeping, I like to use a blank page. After that's set up, you'll see that whenever you switch focus modes, it's gonna change your home screen. For example, if I go to work, it's my work home screen. If I change it to drive, it'll be my drive home screen. But what really makes this easier is if you have a focus mode switcher at the top. And to do that, you're going to have to set up your Siri shortcuts. So we're going to go into our Siri shortcuts app. And here you're going to want to create a folder. I have a folder here called home screen. To create a folder, you just hit this button up here and you can name it whatever you want. Inside my home screen folder, I have my 4 most used focus modes. So I have work, fitness, drive, and chill. And I'm going to show you exactly how to create these. I'm going to press the plus button up here and you want to go in here and just type in focus to see the different actions you can get. And it's really simple. You could do the set focus option and you just want to change the do not disturb to whatever focus you want. So if I'm setting up the work focus, I'm going to choose work here and turn it on until I turn it off. And I would rename this to work, right? So you go up here, you rename it work. I already have one named work, so it's not going to work. But yeah, you'll see that this is exactly the same thing. So this one says turn work on until turned off. And this one's a fitness, turn fitness on until turned off. The only one that's different here is chill. So it's a little bit more complicated, but you want to get the current focus. And if the current focus has any value, turn the current focus off because our chill mode is really just all focus modes turned off. But after you have a folder with 4 shortcuts like this, all you want to do now is add the widgets to each page. So we're going to go, this is our drive focus. So we are going to add the widget to each page. There's a shortcuts folder widget and you just add it to the top. And if you have a lot of different shortcuts, it might not be the 4 ones that you want, but you can choose the folder here to home screen and it's going to show the 4 focuses that you need. So we're going to just do that for every focus now. Okay, so if you did it right, you'll have these widgets at the top that will allow you to switch to different focus modes whenever you want. Yeah. So if you've gone through the trouble of setting up your phone like this, another really useful thing to do is to set up automation. So if you go back into the Shortcuts app, you'll see automation down here and you can click that. And this is just a way to change focus modes without you manually doing it. For example, I like to set up my sleep focus to turn on automatically at 9 p.m. every day, just as a reminder to start getting ready for bed. To do that, you'll click on new automation and you'll click time of day here. Like there's a whole bunch of things and I'll show you that later, but you can go time of day, 9 p.m., do it daily, run immediately, and you can type in focus again, set focus, sleep on until turned off. So this is going to turn on my sleep focus at 9 p.m. every day. Another useful thing is to automatically set up your drive mode whenever your phone connects to your car. So to do that, you'll press the plus button. And for me, I have a Bluetooth thing in my car. So I'll click Bluetooth here and device. The Bluetooth thing in my car is this Rove and I will run it immediately. And then here we already have the drive set up. So I'll just click drive. So whenever my phone connects to this Bluetooth thing in my car, it's automatically going to turn on drive mode. I would recommend just exploring this section to see if any of this stuff will work for you. For example, you can be like, if you go to the gym, I have a home gym, so this doesn't really work. But if you go to the gym, you can set this up so when you arrive at the gym using GPS, your phone will automatically go into fitness mode. Or if you are arriving at work, you can automatically set it up to change to work mode. Or when you come home, you can automatically turn on chill mode. Stuff like that. It's pretty useful. Okay, so I want to keep this video short, so that's it for the video. If you want to know more about the reasoning and why I set up my phone the way I did, and the exact apps that I use and why I use them, you can check out this video over here. If not, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this was useful. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.